So let us quickly solve this Olympiad math problem. All right. Yes. Remember that when you keep learning, you keep growing. When you stop learning, you start dying. All right. And you start losing. Okay. Yeah. What you know already may start dying as well. So let us quickly solve this to refresh our brain. Now, this is a very simple polynomial problem. Okay. I'm going to be having that. I hope you know that this thing is simple as saying a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay. Then they say is equal to what? 61. Now, the factors of 61 are just 61 and 1. These are the only two factors of 61. Okay. So I'll be having that a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared is equal to 61 times 1. All right. Now, obviously, you know that a minus b is less than a squared plus ab plus b squared, obviously. And 1 is less than 61. I hope you know that. So now let us compare. The one that is less than should be equal to the one that is less than. The one that is greater than should be equal to the one that is great. Okay. So we are going to have that. This shows that a minus b, which is the smaller one, should be equal to 1, that is the smaller one. And then a squared plus ab plus b squared should be equal to what? 61. Okay. So this will now help us to see that a is equal to 1 plus b, right? Now, anyway I see a, I'm going to substitute it as what? 1 plus b. So we're going to have 1 plus b all squared plus 1 plus b in bracket of b. Okay, anywhere you see a, put 1 plus b, then plus b squared is equal to 61. So let us clear this bracket. I'm going to have 1 squared is 1 plus, multiply this to double it, I'm going to have 2b, then square the last one, I'm going to have b squared. Okay, then plus, this time this will give you b, this time this I'm going to have b squared, then plus another b squared is equal to 61. Now, b squared plus b squared plus b squared will give you 3b squared. Okay, now 2b plus b will give you what? 3b is equal to what? 61. This one moving here, I'm going to have minus 1. Okay, so let me continue from here. I'm having that 3b squared plus 3b is equal to what? 60. All right, now divide everybody by 3. If I divide through by 3, I'm going to have 3 divided by this. I'm having b squared plus b is equal to what? 3 divided by this, I'm going to have 20. Okay, so now this one coming here is going to be what? B squared plus b minus 20 is equal to 0, right? So let us factor out. The only two factors I'm going to have, this is b and b. So what is going to give me this? This is 4 and minus 5, right? So let us check. That is normal factorization. Let us check. So you do cross multiply. Sorry, minus 4 and plus 5. Yes. This time this will give you 5b. Why this time this will give you minus 4b. So if you subtract both of them, I'm getting the one in the middle. So once you get the one in the middle, your answers are just these two people. So my answers are now b minus 4 and then b plus 5. Okay, is equal to 0. So what do we have finally? We're going to have that when the product of two things is equal to 0, it means that one of them must be 0. So I'm having that either b minus 4 is equal to 0 or b plus 5 is equal to 0. So what do we have? We now have that b is equal to 4 or b is equal to what? Minus 5. All right. So having this, it is now easier for us to get our a. So don't forget that you say that. Don't forget there's a place we say that a is equal to 1 plus b. Okay. Don't forget we said this. So when b is now 4, when b is 4, when b is equal to 4, we have that a is equal to 1 plus 4, which is 5. And when b is equal to minus 5, we now have that a will now be equal to 1 plus minus 5, which will give you what? Minus 4. Okay, so let us check if it is correct. So let us check if it is correct. Checking if it is correct, I'm having that that for the first one, a comma b gave us 5 comma 4 or minus 4 comma minus 5. So let us check that. So for us to check, let us put 5 here. So 5 raised power 3 minus 4 raised to power 3. That is 125 minus I think 64. Okay, so what do you have? I think it's 61. 61. So it is correct. So if you check the other one as well, let us check the other one as well. I'm having minus 4 all raised to power 3 minus into minus 5 raised to power 3. Let's see what it's going to give us. This is going to give us minus 64 minus into minus 125, okay, which is minus 64 plus 125, which is giving me what? 61. So that is that. So it's very, very correct. So the answer is either 5,4 or minus 4,5. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like our video and comment. Right? Share to your friends. Love you.